Hi friends, in this video you are going to see unboxing video of Nikon MH-73 battery charging set. Okay. Here is a battery charger. It comes with 4 batteries, rechargeable batteries. Here is a charging cable. Here is a wire to connect camera to the TV or television. Okay. Using this battery charger set, you can recharge 4 AA batteries and 2 AAA batteries. I bought it online for 600 rupees. Okay, now let's look at the rechargeable batteries which have come with the set. Okay. Now we are going to see how the charger works. Let's here is a cable. Okay, fix it in this. Okay, I have attached the battery to the power source. Okay, it is not showing any light when the batteries are not inserted. Okay, now let's insert the batteries. You can see when I insert the battery, red light is glowing. Okay, let's insert all the batteries. It may take some time because to charge these batteries. That's it guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.